Stop. Before you go online and order those $40 LED bulbs for your older car, you need to hear this. You think you're upgrading your visibility and giving your ride a modern look, but you're likely doing the exact opposite. Most people don't realize that your car's headlight housing is a precision-engineered piece of equipment. It's designed specifically for a halogen bulb. That tiny wire filament inside a halogen bulb is placed at a very specific focal point to bounce light off the reflectors and down onto the road. When you swap that for an LED bulb, the light source changes completely. LEDs are flat chips, and they are almost never in the exact same spot as that original filament. This ruins the geometry of the light beam. Instead of a focused beam that stays on the road, the light scatters everywhere. This is why you see those cars at night that look like they have two miniature suns bolted to their bumper. The light is bleeding upward and sideways, straight into the eyes of oncoming traffic. You aren't just being annoying, you are creating a genuine safety hazard for everyone else on the road. The irony is that while your car looks brighter from the outside, your actual visibility from the driver's seat often gets worse. Because the light isn't focused, it doesn't throw as far down the road. You get a lot of bright light right in front of your bumper, but you lose the distance you need to see hazards at highway speeds. Also, LEDs generate a massive amount of heat at the base. Cheap aftermarket bulbs often have tiny fans that fail within a few months. When they fail, the bulb overheats and the light output drops significantly, or the bulb simply burns out, leaving you dark in the middle of the night. If your lights are dim, do this instead. Buy a set of high-performance halogen bulbs from a reputable brand. They are engineered to work with your reflectors, they stay within the legal limits for glare, and they provide a much better beam pattern than any cheap plug-and-play LED ever will. Keep your car safe and your upgrades smart. Stick to high-quality halogens if your car was built for them. Your eyes and the eyes of every other driver on the road will thank you.